Forget everything you thought you knew about hybrid sedans. The 2026 Lexus ES 300h in that stunning red finish isn't just another eco-friendly commuter. This is Japanese luxury engineering that whispers power while sipping fuel. And trust me, what Lexus has done here is going to change your mind about hybrids forever. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Lexus ES 300h. And let me tell you, this isn't your typical hybrid sedan. This is Lexus bringing their A-game to the luxury sedan market with a car that delivers sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and that signature Lexus quality that Americans have trusted for decades. Exterior design, step outside and feast your eyes on this. That red paint isn't just red, it's a deep, rich finish that catches light like liquid metal. The ES 300h rocks Lexus's signature spindle grille, bold and unapologetic, flanked by those sleek LED headlights with distinctive L-shaped daytime running lights that announce this car's arrival before you even hear it. The hood flows seamlessly into that elongated silhouette, stretching over 16 feet of pure elegance. Interior luxury. Open that door and you're transported into a different world. The cabin is draped in premium leather with contrast stitching that screams attention to detail. The front seats, heated, cooled, and more comfortable than your favorite recliner at home. The dashboard features genuine wood trim, not that fake plastic stuff, sourced from sustainable forests, because Lexus cares about craftsmanship and the environment. That 12.3-inch infotainment display sits perfectly integrated into the dash, responding to touch with zero lag. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard because it's 2026 and wires are so last decade. The Mark Levinson premium audio system delivers concert hall quality sound through strategically placed speakers that make every drive feel like a private performance. Ambient lighting sets the mood for any occasion, whether you're cruising to work or heading out for date night. And here's the kicker. The rear seats offer limousine-level legroom with their own climate controls. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile sanctuary. Performance and power. Now let's talk about what makes this hybrid special. Under that sleek hood sits Lexus's advanced hybrid system, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors that work together seamlessly. You're looking at a combined output that delivers smooth, confident acceleration while achieving fuel economy numbers that'll blow your mind. We're talking potential for over 40 miles per gallon combined. The continuously variable transmission is so refined you barely notice it's there. Just endless, smooth power delivery. The ride quality? Absolute magic. The suspension soaks up bumps and rough roads like they don't exist, while active noise cancellation ensures the cabin stays library quiet even at highway speeds. Multiple drive modes let you choose between maximum efficiency or sportier response. And that hybrid battery? It recharges itself through regenerative braking, meaning you never plug it in. Just fill up with regular gas and go. This is the future of luxury sedans, and it drives like a dream. Lexus didn't hold back on tech. The Lexus safety system comes standard with pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert with steering assist, and adaptive cruise control that actually works in stop-and-go traffic. Blind spot monitoring keeps you aware of surrounding vehicles, while the panoramic view camera makes parking this luxury sedan easier than your compact hatchback. Inside, you've got wireless charging, multiple USB ports throughout the cabin, a head-up display that projects key info onto the windshield, and voice commands that actually understand what you're saying. The climate control is dual zone up front with rear controls, ensuring everyone rides in comfort. Remote start lets you warm up or cool down the cabin before you even step outside. This sedan is packed with more technology than most people's home offices. Let's keep it real. The ES 300h absolutely crushes it on fuel economy, delivering luxury without the luxury gas bill. The interior quality rivals vehicles costing twice as much. Reliability? It's a Lexus. You're looking at years of trouble-free driving, backed by exceptional resale value. That hybrid system is proven technology, smooth and dependable. Here's the bottom line. The 2026 Lexus ES 300h represents everything a modern luxury sedan should be. For American drivers who want premium comfort, cutting-edge features, and fuel economy that actually matters, this ES 300h delivers on every promise. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you think of the ES 300h.